Hello guys, welcome aboard. My name's Justin Williams with the Gulf Coast Yacht Group. We're here today with Kevin and Christy O'Leary aboard their 2000 model Sea Ray 480 Sedan Bridge. This boat has been meticulously maintained over the previous years with many recent upgrades. She's powered with twin Caterpillar 3196s only at 1,000 hours with a lot of life expectancy left in these engines. This 480 Sea Ray Sedan Bridge offers dual amenities for him and for her. This boat is equipped with outriggers, rocket launcher along the back to keep multiple fishing rods, transom fish box with bait well as it is a 3-stateroom 2-head boat that offers a plush interior for her and the ability to entertain multiple guests at one time. If you're looking for a meticulously maintained 480 Sea Ray Sedan Bridge, this vessel is a must-see. Please feel free to give Justin Williams at Gulf Coast Yacht Group a call at 850-291-0400, or you can always email me at justin@gulfcoastyachtgroup.com. I look forward to hearing from you soon.